Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce y'all to what's included in my box truck business plan template. So the way this video is going to work is I'm going to go ahead and first give you all a little bit of background about who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From there, I am then going to go ahead and introduce y'all to my box truck business plan template. I do want to keep this video short and sweet, under about 5 to 8 minutes. So I am going to move pretty quick with going through the box truck template. What you see is what you actually get when you purchase the template or a very similar updated model. And so, feel free to pause the video whenever you have a chance if you want to go ahead and check out my writing style and have a little bit more of a in-depth view of the section that I'm going to be covering. So just keep in mind, I'm going to move pretty quick so we can get through this video. All right, so as promised, a little bit of background about me. I am, again, Paul Borosky, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. If you if you need some help filling out the box truck business plan template, I'd love to help you. There is an additional fee to it. If you want a custom business plan template written for your box truck company, I'd be delighted to do that for you. Also, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Contact information is up here. If you need some help with your template, you want a little bit more in-depth understanding of each one of the sections, I do sell business plan books on Amazon, so just check me out there. And then finally, a little bit of education about me. I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you need a little bit of help with the financial projections, again, for an additional fee, I'd be delighted to assist you in that matter. All right, so with that said, once you do buy the box truck business plan template, you're going to get a Word document. You're also going to get an Excel file that is customized for the box truck industry. For the Word document, you're going to have the title page, so just feel free to copy and paste your logo here, or just change out the yellow with your company name. And also, before we go further with this is done in Microsoft Word and is also done in Excel file, so it's not compatible with Google products. It's also not compatible with your Apple products as well. So you've got your title page here. We also have our table of contents right here. Once you add some more information, make sure you update the table of contents. Next, you're going to find is your executive summary section. In the executive summary, it's going to summarize your target market, your financial highlights, your funding request, all of the places in yellow. Make sure to update that with your information. And I do also have tutorials that are available for free that you can watch to help you update each one of the sections, whether it be the executive summary, the company description, or even the financial model. I've got some tutorials available that are free that you can use. The next section is going to be the company description section. This is going to cover everything from the company summary, product description, competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, all the way down to your business objectives and timelines, which is going to help the reader understand where your organization is going to be going into the near future. So we're kind of giving them the business plan up front, as well as including the snippet of your strategic plan as well. Next section is your industry analysis. This information is summarized from IBIS World, so it's updated today as of recently. Next section is going to be the SWOT analysis. Again, I've got a tutorial online that you can go ahead and watch, and it'll help you update this SWOT analysis. It's also going to include the organizational structure. This is your ownership information. Make sure to put your information in there. And then some job responsibilities for typical positions in a box truck company. Next section is the organizational chart. Again, I've got a tutorial available that can help you with the organizational chart. And then I've got the marketing section right here, and it's got the traditional social media. So just, for this section right here, you can add to it, or if you're not going to have social media, you can get rid of that section as well. Next section is going to be your funding request section. This can be updated based on the funding needs, whether it be debt or equity. So just make sure to read through it and update that accordingly. Next section is your profit and loss section, and the pro forma profit and loss for the first year or the first 12 months, as well as the next 5 years for your income statement. This information is copied and pasted. You can copy and paste it from the financial model. It's broken into month 1 through month 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and then 10 to 12. So it is monthly broken up, and that's also broken up into quarters. And then your pro forma income statement, which again can be copied from the Excel file, and you can update that with your information. Again, I got tutorials for that too. And it's going to cover your month, year 1 through year 5. So that's going to wrap up the box truck tutorial or template for the Word document. And as promised, you also get it for the, you also get an Excel file. And this Excel file is customized for the box truck industry, with specifically box truck average miles per day. In this example, 450, but you can change this number to whatever you like. And when you change this number, then your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months will update. Also, it will update your pro forma projections for the next 5 years. So anything you change on this page right here will update it. I do have a tutorial available to help y'all understand how to use this template, but it does cover your daily sales, your labor, your startup costs, broken into equity investment and loan if you need either one or both. It's also going to have a section for you to update for your monthly fixed cost, your growth rates, and then this is going to help you calculate what your loan payment's going to be based on the number of years as well as interest rate you expect. Now, as promised, like I said, this does come with a tutorial. So, you know, and it is a free tutorial. So if you buy my box truck company business plan tutorial or the business plan template, all you have to do is go to qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. And on this page, you're going to find various tutorials, whether it be for the executive summary, the company description section, industry analysis, SWOT, whatever section that you need help with, go to my website and I've got a tutorial on how to help you all fill that section out. But specifically, you'll definitely, for the most part, you're going to want to check out my financial projection section for the business plan, which again, I do go through the information to help you understand how to use that financial model. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. And let's go ahead and wrap up this little game we're playing here. All right, so again, in summary, if you do buy my business plan template, the link for it is going to be at qualitybusinessplan.com/box truck company business plan template. So if you do want to buy the template, just visit my website at this link right here. And just keep in mind that it does come with a Word document and also an Excel file, not compatible with Google documents, not compatible with Apple's products. And it does come with tutorials for each one of the sections, and here's the link for the tutorials. And then finally, if you have questions about the template before you purchase it, and I can't stress, before you purchase the template, if you got questions, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to answer them. After you purchase the template, make sure to use my tutorials that I have available for completing the file. And finally, if you do need a custom business plan written for your box truck company, I'd be delighted to write that for you. And again, my contact information is right here. So hopefully this information was helpful. Enjoy the template. And as always, have a great day. Thank you.